everybody, and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the August Icon IPSY box. This is Ash K Home, and it has this little magazine feature that goes over all the products inside. So let's get into it. First is this Dr. Jart Vital Hydration. I think this is a sheet mask, a water gel mask. I have not actually tried Dr. Jart products. I've heard a lot of really good things about them, so I'm excited to try this. I love a sheet mask. Plump and hydrate. Then we have a Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Love that. I currently use the Clinique Cleansing Balm, so I'm curious to see how this one compares. It smells really familiar. What does that smell? It's lavender. It smells like Oh! Okay, it smells like lavender. It literally just leaked all over me. So we are going to close her up. She's a messy girl. Oh my gosh. Next, we have the Like Buddha Tropical Hydrating Soothing Mist. Interesting. Green tea, rhubarb, ginseng, no synthetic dyes. This is what the packaging looks like. What it does, soothes, hydrates, and restores. Okay, it's like a little tin can. Not a can, it's like a little spray bottle. It smells like seed butter. Very mild. Feels good. I don't know if you're supposed to use it before or after makeup. Clean skin. Okay, so this is like a skincare moisturizer. Then we have the Grown Alchemist Instant Smoothing Serum. I love this brand. All their products are so good, so this is a win. The packaging is just so beautiful. Very simple glass. Let's see. It smells really good. It's like a natural smelling type product. I hope I'm saying that right. Odacite? That doesn't sound right, but it is the Sea Glow Hydra Firming Body Oil. Ooh, love a body oil. The packaging is really nice. It's like this beautiful frosted glass. Let's see. Unlock it. Okay, it's like a little grassy and citrus smelling. Really nice though. You see that shine? It smells good. It's like a very natural smell. I like that. I like that. Okay. Next we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Toner. They're really nice glass bottle. It's like very apothecary style, this bottle. See that? Doesn't smell like anything. Literally has like no smell. All I can smell is the body oil now. So that is a really nice product. Then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum. Okay. Lots of serums here, you guys. My skin is gonna be glowing to the gods. Cute little aqua bottle. We have the House Labs by Lady Gaga Volumizing Mascara. I have not tried any products by Lady Gaga, so I'm very excited to try this. A basic, like silver tube. A medium style wand. Volumizing and lengthening mascara. So we will check that out. Who makes this? Oh, Grande Mascara. It's a conditioning peptide. So I think, oh, it is mascara. Okay, so it's like a conditioning mascara. Does it make your lashes glow? Ooh, interesting tube. It's like brushed gold. Really interesting. Skinny little wand. So that's that. The Bisha Essential Lip Duo, 2 lip crayons. Okay. Oh God. They're like sealed in there in like a clear plastic. Oh my God. Give me a second. Points off already because I can't get into it. Going in with the big guns. The old box cutter trick. Oh my God. Literally still can't get into it. I think that's a little unnecessary, all that packaging. So it's Saint Tropez and St. Bart's. Those are the 2 colors. They look beautiful on the outside. Cute little packaging. See that? This one is St. Bart's. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's like a mauve-y. And this one, a little bit more orange, a little more burnt orange. This is Saint Tropez. Super cute. I love how sharp they are. If you could see that. Then we have the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Lip Plumping Serum in Cinnamon Glow. Perfect for fall. Ooh. Ooh, okay. See that? It's like a little, ooh. That is a color I can get down with. Lastly, we have the Kevyn Aucoin, the Neo Blush, Rose Cliff. Really well made. It almost looks black, so. Oh cool, it's like an ombre. This does look like it has a little bit of shimmer in it. And that is what is in the August Icon box from IPSY. Thank you for watching.